In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily fix Safari browser not working on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, first of all, in order to fix Safari browser not working on your iPhone, you'll have to tap on settings, then scroll down and go to Safari browser. Now once you found it, tap on Safari and then scroll down, and right here to the bottom you'll find an option of clear history and website data. Tap on it and clear history. Basically it will remove all the cache files and cookies and websites of Safari browser that may be causing glitches or bugs in your Safari browser. The second thing you can do is to tap on general and tap on software update and make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest possible version. Like in my case, I have updated my iPhone to iOS 17.2.1. So basically, Safari browser updates are built in to the iOS version. So you must have to update your iOS version to latest version. So guys, these were the two things that you have to do if your Safari browser is not working on your iPhone. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.